Hi guys, this is Candy, and it feels like forever since I hopped on here to do a video. Last video was maybe over a month ago, or maybe 3 weeks ago. I do not know, but however, I am here now with another crochet braid video, and I already went ahead and braided up my hair. I didn't want to come on and to show you guys the braid pattern again because I've done so many crochet braid videos, and so if you've seen one, you've seen all. I know there are some people on here who might be new to the channel, or people might be new to the crochet braid technique, and for that reason I'm going to be linking maybe 2 or so videos showing how I do braid patterns similar to this, so that you guys can use that as a guide. So this is the pattern that I used. Not even sure how it's looking in the back, but pretty much it's just a little beehive in the middle and everything going back. And I went ahead and did some kind of upwards so that I have the option to pull the hair up in a ponytail and it not look too crazy. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so for today's style, I'm going with this, my favorite brand, Freetress. And this is their, this is the Boho Kinky Jr. And it's just a curly, soft, curly, natural, soft, human hair feeling curl pattern. And this is what it looks like. And this is in, I think, 10 inch. Yeah, I think this is 10 inches long. Let me confirm. Yeah, 10 inches. And I will also leave the link to the hair. I got it on Amazon. I got 3 packs. It's sold in a bundle of 3 packs, and so I just got that bundle. They also have a bundle with 5 packs, but I do not think I need 5 packs. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. I actually love how it feels and how it looks. So we're just gonna go ahead and start to install it. So the main part that I wanted to show you guys is how I'm going to actually finish this invisible parting or the knotless part. So you want to insert your crochet tool from the outer part of the cornrow, and you insert it towards the inner part of the cornrow, like so, like such, and then attach the hair to the loop, pull it through. Then of course you're gonna use your fingers to hold on to the loop, and instead of bringing both pieces of hair through the loop, I'm going to bring only one piece of hair through the loop. Alright, so pulling one piece through like so, and so you're making your knot with one side of the hair essentially. Yeah. And then you pull to create, and then you just bring the hair over, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it doesn't really show you the effect of the knotless part until you're really done. Alright, so now that we've completed one side of the knotless parting, time to do this side. And of course for this side you want to push the crochet tool the same way you did the other one, from the outside in. So we're going to go ahead and insert the tool. I'm just going to show you two more because, like I said, it's a repetitive process. So once you get it down pack with one, it's just a matter of doing the same thing again and again. It's a delicate process because this is pretty much loose. Where is it? This, yeah, this is pretty much loose. If I'm doing it without showing you guys on camera, I do it a totally different way. I'm gonna do the next one and show you how I do it to make it easier for me. But because I'm trying to show you guys what I'm doing, I have to take my time, because if I tug on it too much, then the hair on the other side is gonna just, you know, slide through prematurely. All right, so having done the knot, then you just pull the hair like such, and I always just, you know, kind of tease or spread the hair apart to give it more volume, and then I just fold it over. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do it if I'm not on camera, or if I'm just doing my hair in a rush. So I do like such. I attach the hair, close the lash hook, pull it through. Yeah, I'm holding on to this one at the same time as I'm doing this one, so I just pretty much hold one with a couple fingers and work the other side with the other fingers. And it's easier for me that way, but I know it would be confusing to show you guys that, so that is why I have to be very careful when showing it, because the hair actually is not very secure whilst I'm working with the opposite side of the hair, so it will slide through or make it very, very uncomfortable for you to do it if you know you don't somewhat hold the hair. All right, so again, I'm working with only one side, so I would pull one side through the loop. Like I said, if I'm actually twisting and turning and tugging on this side, it's going to, you know, automatically pull this side as if it wants to pull it through. So I just hold it with my fingers out of the way and work my magic with two of my other fingers. Failing that, what you can do is, once you have the section of hair over this side, you can just pin it down along with the other hair that's already done, and that will prevent it from moving when you're creating that knot. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to explain, but I hope you guys kind of understand. So I'm gonna just continue doing the same thing until it's done, and then I'll show you what the parting looks like. All right. So I still have hair to complete, so I'm gonna do that and pretty much show you guys the finishing, because you know, like I said, repeat and report. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the invisible part on either side, so now I'm left with the middle. So once I'm done installing this knotless parting, then we're all done. But like I said guys, I already showed you the technique, so pretty much just a matter of just installing the hair based on the technique shared. Alright, so I will show you the finished product. But so far the hair is feeling super duper light, super duper nice. I feel like I need some more hair on the hair and maybe in the back. For real. Hopefully I have enough, but I'll be back. So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. I am super happy with how it turned out. It looks so nice, so natural. Nobody can tell me this is not my natural hair, right? If I was living on folic acid, living on biotin, living on everything that makes your hair nice and thick and full. But no, for real though, the hair is super nice, super soft, super fluffy, and it is weightless. So that's what I love about it. And it's perfect for the summer, because summertime is always hot, and so you know, having something this length makes it super duper comfortable and convenient. So I'm just trimming up, you know, the excess pieces, you know, so that it looks more even in the back. Yeah, love it, love it. Did I say love it? Because I do love it. And you guys, I just decided to do a side part so that you guys can see the versatility and see, you know, how it would look if you went ahead and did your side part. You know, nice, versatile. And yeah, I mean, I would do this hairstyle again and again. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave again the links below. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, comment, and tell a friend. And stay tuned for more videos to come, because you know we always bring the videos to you. Alright, so take care. Thanks again for watching. Bye.